Hi, I'm Jamie with Galileo, where I work to come up with awesome projects to help you develop your innovative superpowers. I'm here with today's project challenge. In this challenge, you need to work with somebody who is not in your house to design a matching meal or snack you can both enjoy. Your matching dishes must have at least 3 ingredients and be plated in the same way. To do this challenge, you'll need to be collaborative by building on your partner's ideas so you can come up with a delicious shared vision. To get started, decide who you're going to create your dish with and call them up. Together, figure out what kitchen tools and ingredients you both have. Brainstorm together to come up with how you can use these things to make a delicious dish. Will you go sweet or savory? Will it be one main dish or a lot of small bites? Will it be cooked? How will you assemble it? As you design, be collaborative. Take turns sharing ideas and listening. Use the phrase yes and to try to build on your partner's ideas and take it forward before moving on to a new idea. I have some peanut butter and you have peanut butter. What if we put peanut butter on apples?
Oh, that sounds really yummy. And let's drizzle some honey on it.
Oh yeah, good. We both have honey. Once you've designed your dish, it's time for both of you to create it. When you're both done, dig in and enjoy your matching dish. And if you can snap a picture of your collaborative creation before you eat it, we'd love to see it. Thanks, that's it for now. Happy matching and munching and innovating.
Really counting on this to make it look fancy here. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.